When it comes to putting aftermarket wheels on your Toyota build, they could make or break the way it looks. But right here we have a very nice set of wheels, brand new from NYTOP. These are the ADV-Classics in a 17 by 8.5 with a 25 offset. Also available in a 0 offset. These are a forged CNC machined wheel, so they are super strong and lightweight, only coming in at 22 pounds per wheel. We have them wrapped in some 285/70 tires. We're gonna get them installed on this 4th gen Tacoma right behind us and see how it fits right now. Tacoma's up in the air, factory wheels and tires are off. We have our new ones here from NYTOP ready to go on. Just gonna give you some quick notes. The factory lug nuts cannot be used on pretty much any aftermarket wheel that are on the market. So you're gonna have to get yourself some new 60-degree conical seat lug nuts. As you can see, the factory ones are flat here where it meets the surface of the wheel, where the aftermarket ones are not. So new lug nuts are a must. Other than the lug nuts, the other thing we're gonna be using is these hub-centric rings. So you might need these, you might not, depending on your vehicle. But what these are gonna do is get the wheel nice and centered on your hub, so when you go and tighten it down, it's gonna be as balanced as possible. So let's go ahead and get these onto our Tacoma. Got 2 of the wheels and tires on, and this thing is definitely looking way better now. It's crazy how much some wheels and tires will completely change the look of your truck. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other 2 on, and then we can get this thing on the ground to see how it actually sits. With the new wheels and tires on, that is gonna be a wrap for the NYTOP 4th gen Tacoma build. Let us know down in the comments what you think about how the new Tacoma looks. If you guys wanna pick up any of this stuff that we installed in this video, it's all available on our website, YotaXpedition.com, and we'll see you guys in the next one.